Hey everybody, it's Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Thanks for stopping in for another special STEAM STEM project. Today it's Springy Slime. So we're combining slime and magnetism together in this one, okay? So, what do you need to make your slime? You need a half cup of clear glue or white glue. So I use the clear glue. You need about 1/4 to a half cup of liquid starch. And it looks like this. You can pick this up anywhere, kind of like where they sell laundry detergent. So maybe somewhere in that area. A half cup of water. And then you want to bring in some mix-ins for your slime. So in here I have like some paper clips and silver washers that look like that. And also a little brass clasp. Okay? And you need a magnet. So these are actually 2 magnets. So, boom. So you need a magnet, okay? So now you want to just combine your glue and add your liquid starch while you're stirring. And then after that you want to add a little bit at a time your water until you get your slime to the consistency or the feel and stretch that you like. Now this kind of slime, I kind of like using the liquid starch and glue together because it doesn't take that long for it to become slime, right? You add that together and that is some great, as in this case what liquid starch is, it's a great activator, right? So it makes that slime, you don't have to wait long, and you can, mix it and fix it as you go along. Mix and fix as you go along. It's real great, right? So you go ahead and do that. Make your slime, and I'm going to talk about magnets and magnetism. So what is a magnet? What do you use a magnet for? Not much anything, huh? If you had a magnet, what can you use it for? Right? You can use it to bring things to you. That's right. So like this cup of paper clips and washers, right? Because magnets have something called a force around them. Now, can we see the force? Do you see it around the magnets? We can't see it with our eyes, but we can see it when and if it's working. So everything is not attracted to magnets right off the bat, right? So we have some that stayed in, and we have some that came right on out. Once that magnet was waved over, our paper clips just jumped out. So we do have, and there are some things that maybe are attracted faster to a magnet than others. Okay, so that's right. Now also, magnets, as we've seen, they reach through the air to pull or to sort. So we can use magnets to separate material from another material. All right, and also magnets can be found in different material as well, as we said. So, hey, as a matter of fact, I want you, can you name a magnet? A giant magnet. I want you to name a giant magnet. Any magnet. Don't know? I'll give you a hint. The one I have in mind is a planet. Give you another hint. It's the one that we live on. That's right. Did you know that? I did not know that. Planet Earth is a giant magnet because at the center of Earth is something called molten rock, which is lava rock, right? And it has magnetic materials in it. So in essence, we actually live on a giant magnet. Wow. Mind blown, right? Mine too. So we're gonna move from the mind blowing to the eye blowing, all right? So now I'm gonna bring this down here, and what I did with the slime, I took my slime and I actually put it and spread it on a lid like this, and then I put in some paper clips already. You see the washers there and the little brass clasp right over there. And now the object is, we're going to see if I can take this magnet and see if the slime, or if the magnetic field is strong enough against the slime. All right, so we're going to see if we can make, or if we can change the effect a magnet has on objects that are in the slime. So I'm going to try to see if we can bring some about. Now it takes a while because slime is pretty thick, right? And it's different from just, pulling it over the air. So we're going to see now. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's fighting. Uh-oh. And this one, we do have a paper clip just jumped out. So it's a little gooey. And let's see if we can pull another one out. Let me see if I'm gonna see, I'm just gonna stir it around too, because we just help it out a little bit. Is it cheating? A little bit. But just want to see if, if it makes a difference. As we can see, it really does make a difference. So sometimes the type of magnet you have, if you have more than one magnet, or if you have another type of magnet, maybe you can try different ones and see if, one is, if the force field around it, if it's a little stronger than another one. Oh, let's see. Like I said, it may take a while. It's, we got a little movement. Ooh. We got a little movement. We got a little more movement. And look at that. Just rising out. Oh. Gooey. Just put that over here with the other magnets. I mean, with the other paper clips. It's just kind of fun because it's more than just slime, but you're actually kind of making it movement. It gives it slime movement too. Of course, if you didn't have paper clips in your slime, would it move like this? No, it wouldn't. But that's the strength of your magnet, and also the object that it's attracting. Is it gooey? Is it messy? Of course. But guess what? It's also fun. Alright? So, I hope you have a great time trying out magnets and trying to see, if there's objects that work or pull faster than others, or if the magnet, or maybe the slime, maybe the thickness, if you have to adjust, if you have to fix while you mix, right? But all the time, always have a good time, and always, as we always ask and ask every scientist, please, if you need help, reach out to your parent or older sibling, caregiver, or babysitter, because while we appreciate that you love science, we appreciate your safety even more. Alright, guys? Well, this is Miss T from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library, and I hope that everything that you touch is magnetic. And or gooey, right? And take care for now. And also, just want to remind you guys, summer is coming. So, if you are interested, our summer reading project, our summer reading program is coming up very soon in the month of June. If you're around, participate, come down, or check out the website and find out more information. Alright, so this is Miss T again from the Children's Library of the Plainfield Public Library. Stay curious, stay experimenting, and until we meet again, so long for now.